Good morning, everybody, and this is going to be an educational video. I apologize for the air conditioner noise as well. There's not much I can do about that. I'll try to get rid of it in post-editing as much as I can. Today, we're going to be taking a look at this. Now, I know most of you might be going, neg for the night, what the hell's that? This is a rapid COVID test that I received after getting a pop-up test done locally in my city, and they were handing these out, and hopefully these are going to become available to people locally, hopefully for free, but even for a low cost, even these cost like $1, that would be amazing, because it's still very, very bad. It's still rampant all over the world. People should take it seriously. And I'm going to show you just how easy it is, because I've never even opened this yet, but I assume that it's pretty easy. Let's see, it says COVID self-test, August 2021, place components onto paper towel. Okay, I have a Kleenex, that's gonna have to do. Now it says August 2021, but I believe we got it like a week and a half ago, so I don't think it's expired. So let's see what we got in here. I'm gonna just pour it all onto this napkin. Okay, it looks like we got a rapid test device, whatever that is. We got a big disposable swabby stick thing. We have a vial thing with some liquid in it, and what I believe are instructions. Yes, they were instructions. They also have a little business card thing to scan and send home. Nasal swab to your okay, I got all those. Before you start, sanitize your hands. I just did. Remove the contents of your testing kit. I did remove test cartridge from wrapper. Write your name with a marker or pencil if there's more than one person. Okay. So step 1, insert swab into nostril, approximately 2 centimeters. So this one doesn't go all the way like into the back of your head like the long ones do. I got a whole bunch of those. Those weren't that bad. This one just goes like to the back of the very, very nose, and you just kind of swirl it around. Gently tap the test tube to bring the fluid to the bottom. Remove the blue cap. Immerse the swab into the liquid, swirling up and down for 10 seconds. Pinch tube around swab to squeeze out remaining liquid. Okay, find and break the line on the swab handle and snap the swab here. Replace the blue cap with the swab remaining inside the tube. Twist off the white dropper cap on the bottom. It seems more complicated than what it is. And it's just like a pregnancy test. No line, you're negative. 2 lines, you're positive. Invalid. Well, it's invalid. So that's our vial full of liquid here. So let's peel. Let's do some peeling. Swabby swab. Now, you're supposed to hold it below that line because the line is where it goes into the tube. So we're going to put that there. And we have our testing thing here, just like a pregnancy test, except you don't pee on this one. Okay, so I'm going to hold it beneath the line. I think it's both nostrils? Yes, it's both nostrils. The big long one was only one. So you put it in about there-ish. Yeah. And you kind of swirl it around. 3, 4, 5. And then you do the other one. 1, 3, 4. Ooh, I put that in a bit too far. Then we're going to take our tube. Undo the blue cap. Put the swab, make sure the liquid's on the bottom. Swab into the liquid. Swirl up and down for 10 seconds. Pinch tube around swab to squeeze. Oh, when it's done. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Squeeze. Okay. Now you find the line. Okay. Snap the handle at the line break. Replace the blue cap. Okay. Twist off the white cap on the bottom. Cool. Gently squeeze 5 drops, 5 well-rounded drops onto the test cartridge, onto that little circle. My hands are shaking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My hands shouldn't be shaking this bad. It's early in the morning. I haven't had a coffee yet. Let the sample move across the white strip. After a total of 15 minutes, you can determine the result. When finished, put testing supplies in the garbage, sanitize your hands, and clean your testing space. So it's been about 15 minutes, almost, and the line on my reader is clearly defined. There's only one, and it's under the C and not the T. If it was under both, I'd be considered positive, which would be a nightmare for myself, my family, and for everything. But since there's only one line on the C, I'm negative. That's awesome. So as you can see, that was incredibly easy to do. As you can see, there's no reason to be afraid of it. I am double vaccinated. I've been double vaccinated now for about 2 months, I think. And I'm begging all of you to please go get vaccinated. And if for some medical reason you can't, please be safe. Wear your mask, sanitize your hands, be careful. This is a real thing. No matter what you read on the news, no matter what conspiracy theories you think are out there, it's real, it's dangerous. Be careful, look after yourselves, and I will see all of you in the next video. Take care, everyone.